Hello everyone, English grade 7 revised second language. So today we are going to know about the notes. Poem Awareness. Before you read, we celebrate World Water Day March 22nd. In the same way, what do we celebrate in these? So here these days, February 4th World Cancer Day, April 22nd Earth Day, December 3 International Day of People with Disability. So next one, why do we celebrate these days? To eradicate cancer throughout the world and create awareness about cancer. So next one is there any need for the celebration? Give two reasons to support your answer. So here, yes, answer yes, and two reasons: to create awareness among people. Second one, to bring more people to contribute to the cases. And next here, second main, study the picture given below and write two sentences about the global warming in your notebook. So here given some pictures about that. We should write इनके बारे में लिखना. Due to global warming, the temperature of the earth rises. One of the effect of global warming is that food production floats and the rain do not occurs in the time. So this one is for this one, sir. In this poem, इस नज़्म में क्या है? अवेयरनेस यानी कि जो भी क्या है, वेस्ट ग्लासेस बॉटल्स, waste glasses piece and paper of the bundle, then chemical, environment में होने वाले यानी कि इंडस्ट्रियों से निकलने वाले केमिकल्स, इन तमाम को क्या है हम पानी में, माहौल में डंप करने की वजह से क्या है हमारा माहौल आलूदा हो रहा. इस वजह से क्या है बहुत सारे मसले मसाइल पैदा होती हैं. बोल को इस नज़म में बताया गया है. सो हियर आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन one sentence. So number 1, name the things that are tossed on the glass. Answer: broken bottles, half-burned pieces of glass and bundle of newspaper are tossed on the glass. So next one question, what are the spared on our food? Poison. Answer is poison and insecticides are the spared on our food. Third question, what pollution is mentioned in the third stanza? The answer is the industrial waste, fumes, airlines, emission, fuel smoke, nuclear weapons, distraction, invisible rays, etc. are the polluting the environment. तो क्या है हमारे माहौल को इन तमाम से क्या है माहौल की आलूदगी हो रही. Next, what risks are we taken by staying in such a world? Answer: there will be an imbalance in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide concentration become more and result in the global warming. It can lead to many natural climates. The air, the things breathe will be void of oxygen and can cause many lung-related diseases. Water, air pollution can be lead to many skin diseases. On the whole, living things will suffer as air, water, food will be adulterated with toxic substance. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, ऐसे माहौल में हमें रहने से बहुत सारे बीमारियां में मुब्तला होती, जैसे कि कैंसर, ब्रीथिंग प्रॉब्लम. क्वेश्चन इज नेक्स्ट मेन C2, आंसर द फॉलोइंग आफ्टर डिस्कशन विथ योर ग्रुप एंड पार्टनर्स. सो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है यहाँ पर. नंबर 1, व्हाट डैमेज टू नेचर इज डिस्कस्ड इन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. Answer: in the first stanza, the damage to nature is done by cutting out trees, constructing more contract buildings, broken boatless more botless chaired pieces of glass and wadded up newspaper are the toasted and the gram on the which our surrounding in the polluted and there are no trees to give us फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन. सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट आंसर में क्या है अगर बोले तो बोटल्स वेस्ट बॉटल्स यानी कि कांच के टुकड़ों को या बहुत सारे वेस्ट पेपर्स को बंडलों के ज़रिए से पानी में थ्रो करना और क्या है दरख्तों को काटने से क्या हो रहा हमारा माहौल फुल्ली पोल्यूटेड हो रहा जिसकी वजह से हम ना फ्रेश एयर यानी कि ऑक्सीजन फूड कंटेमिनेटेड. आंसर द पेस्टिसाइड एंड इंसेक्टिसाइड दैट आर spread on the crops will mix with our food grains. Ocean are filled with crude oils and sea creatures are contaminated, thus the territorial and seafood get contaminated. So यहाँ पर क्या है पेस्टिसाइड्स यानी कि दवाओं को क्या है अगर बोले तो बीजों पर स्प्रेड करने की वजह से वो डिस्क्राइब द वे द एयर इज बीइंग पोल्यूटेड. आंसर nowadays the number of industries are more. These more manufacturing industries expel the more smoke, airline emitting caustic gases from fuel. The destruction of nuclear weapons causes more air pollution. Cutting of trees also added up the air pollution. Air pollution is increased day by day. So यहाँ पर क्या है फैक्ट्रियों से निकलने वाले केमिकल और कहने के स्मोक धुआं हमारे माहौल को आलूदा कर रहा. नेक्स्ट वन इज इन व्हाट वे कैन वी सॉल्व दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. तो इसका मसला का इस तरह से हल करती बाय वाटरिंग अवेयरनेस अमोंग द पीपल द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस पोल्यूशन, डम्प द वेस्ट इन अ प्रॉपर प्लेस सेंड फॉर इट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज reduce, reuse and recycle waste. Teach people how this waste can be reduced. And next one is save rainwater by rainwater harvesting. Next question and next main में C3 answer the following question after discussing in a group. What message does the poem give? We are living in a polluted environment. If we do not take any action, we may suffer in the future. We are the main causes to pollute the environment. So we should correct it. Everyone should be aware of this. Without the environment, man cannot live. So purifying the environment is our responsibility. Planting of more trees, keeping our surrounding clean and minimize the use of non-biodegradable substance like plastic, chemical, glass, etc. So to save ourselves. Next one, write at least few environmental awareness statement displayed in public places. Answer, there is no life zone without ozone. Avoid plastic, use biodegradable materials. And next one is don't pollute water resources like pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. Fourth one, save water. Let's make our world a greener place. Learn more about the poem. So here there are few more qualifying words in the poem. Pick them up and write in the space provided. So chaired pieces of glass, wadded up newspaper, yellow flames, caustic gases.